We've got the Bellroy Zip Wallet here. Again, traditional Bellroy packaging. They're moving from envelopes to boxes. Got some tissue paper, we'll get out of the way. And we are right into the wallet. This is a racing green. I love this color. It does come in 4 other colors besides this. Get a quick look at some of the sewing along here. It's a pretty good sized zipper wallet. It's the Zip Wallet. And it will provide all kinds of functionality, access, storage. They have some pretty neat features in here we'll go over. So, without further ado, if we look at the features of this wallet, of course, the zipper is considered a wallet. It provides security for the contents. So if we open this up, oh, look at that nice, shiny Bellroy 3D logo there. That's kind of cool. We go to the interior. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 here at the top interior card slots. Capacity of 3 to 8 cards between all of these right here. If we go to the other side, we'll see that we've got a magnetic coin pouch, meaning it just closes magnetically here in the top. And it has this slant on the side, which will show in the coin and cash insertion test how coins just slip in there. So you don't always have to get into it. You can actually push coins in here and then of course open it using the same method. Now if we go into the interior of the wallet further, we have this hidden card slot right here. Again, archive cards, loyalty cards, other things that you may not use as often can go in here. And then of course this is the generous billfold pocket for all of your cash that you'd put in here, and it is of course big enough that you could put additional cards vertically in here. If we go over to the right hand side, we have a really neat little SIM card holder as well as a tool holder. So you can put your tool in here and be able to switch out SIM cards if you use multiple SIM cards for your cell phone. And then over on the other side, we don't have any particular features. It just is a nice open area in this billfold pocket. Very generous, and we'll see how it fits with the currency. And that is a quick review of the features of the Bellroy Zip Wallet. Now, being one of the largest Bellroy zipper wallet offerings here, the Zip Wallet, it can carry all your cash cards, coins, really that you'd want to carry without becoming a clutch, maybe. It's getting to be a little sizable here. So let's keep on going. It measures 3.9 by 4.7 by 0.7, and it weighs 91 grams. That's 3.2 ounces. Got 6 cards, the whole stack of cash, all 12. You saw some coins go in there, some pretty thick ones as well. And that little corner is really cool. You just slide coins right in there. And let me show you that one more time. Okay, with the magnetic closure in there, let's say I receive some coins as change. I can just take this in the corner, whoop, push it in, same thing. Big coin here, whoop, push it in. No problems. I'm gonna put 2 in at the same time, throw this one in there, and it stays closed. It just kind of closes behind it. I really like this. So reasonable carry of cards 6. The company recommends 8+ cards. You think being so big you could get more? You probably can, because you could put them in the billfold pocket. Again, lots of room. This is designed to be a bigger zip wallet. It is the Zip Wallet. It is designed in Australia and it's made in India or the Philippines. A premium environmentally certified leather. Bellroy always tries to put different aesthetics into their product. And we can see this all the way through this particular wallet, even with the 3D Bellroy logo. Looks pretty cool. Now this comes in RFID. I know, we don't like that, but I can't tell who manufactures the zipper on this one either, but overall, Bellroy zippers have proven to hold up pretty well. It's priced for $109. Now, coins, again, the insertion on this is really kind of cool. You can access the coins either single-handedly. You can see as I get in here that if I have one hand available because I'm holding the wallet, I can get my finger in here and then start getting through my coins. And a lot of that is through this insertion here of this slant. It's just great to get your finger in there and go after it. Again, usability thinking. Now, of course, you can store more in here than what the organization provides you, because you can zip this up partially and you can just get into it this way if you want to have stacks of cards or more cash. You don't have to open it all the way up. You can see how it fits into the pocket. Fits really nicely. It is larger, so you feel it, but it would work fine either in a bag or a backpack, of course, your front or rear pocket. Again, the innovation that we see is in something that is really traditional is nice to see with Bellroy. They're always putting in different kinds of features to see how people use them. And they lean on things where zippers are more accommodate coins and more cash than other types of carry. And so they leverage the things that are really useful on the particular design that they have. And they really continue to make amazing wallets, some that do disappear because they just don't do well. So now onto the final score. For quality of 4, price of 3, features of 5. Amazing for such a small footprint of what we get here. Usability of 4. Easy to operate, no awkward manipulation in this, and you get all the different organization capabilities, and perception of 4. That gives us a final score of 39 out of 50.